So, our first unit in biology is called Cells and Movement Through Cell Membranes. I have split this large unit up into 3 sections, so there are 3 separate PowerPoints. Number 1 is all about cells and specialised cells. Number 2 is movement across membranes, and number 3 is enzymes. In this first section, we recap part of the microscope, how to use the microscope, and making and observing slides of cheek and onion cells, which you have previously studied. The lesson objectives are learning to use a light microscope. Don't panic if you haven't got one at home. There is a short video clip that you can watch that will explain exactly how to use the microscope and make the slides later. Extension homework task is to research the differences between a light and an electron microscope. Electron microscopes tend to be used in research in university, so find out a little bit more about them and their differences. When we're looking at a light microscope, we always carry it by its handle, number 10, and hold the base, number 14. We put the microscope on the desk in front of us with the handle towards us. We make sure that the microscope is not obstructed so light can easily pass into the microscope up through the lenses. In this diagram, we can see a typical light microscope used in schools. Number 1 is the barrel. This holds a series of lenses. Number 2 is the nose piece, on which 3 important lenses are. The smallest of which, number 3, is the lowest power objective lens. Number 4 is the medium power objective lens. And number 5, the highest power objective lens. Stage clips hold the slide in place so that it doesn't move around. Some microscopes have a diaphragm, number 7, underneath the stage. This controls how much light enters through the specimen. Number 8 is our light source. In older microscopes, a lamp would be used with a mirror to direct light up through the specimen. Number 9 is an eyepiece lens, which normally has magnification of times 10 and is what you look down to see the specimen. Number 10, as we've already stated, is the handle. 11 is the stage on which we put the specimen. Number 12 is for coarse adjustment knob, to allow us to focus on the specimen. Once we have started to focus, we can make the specimen image very, very clear using number 13, the fine focusing knob. And as we've already stated, number 14 is the base. We will be going on to calculate magnification in the next short video clip.